To achieve the blonde I was looking for, I bought Expression braiding hair in the colors 12, 24 and 613. I've decided to use these three colors, at least to start with, because the other blonde colors that the Expression braiding hair comes in are a little bit more yellow than what I had in mind. So using these three as a base to start off with seemed like a very good idea. So to blend the braiding hair, all you do is you keep on overlapping it, putting one section of the hair over the other, and then you keep on blending and blending till you feel like you've got your desired result. For me, my aim or my goal was to get a consistent blend throughout. I didn't want to see like any streaks throughout the hair, so I just kept on blending and blending and blending till I felt like the color blend was consistent throughout. You also want to ensure that you're brushing it in between the blending just to get rid of tangles, and then also this allows you to see how far or how good the blend is, depending on how much of the overlapping you've done or the blending you've done. So here you can see like I can still see streaks of different colors that I would still need to blend further. So now I'm doing my first comparison against the curly hair I want to use. Knowing that I've used color 24, 12 and 613, you can see like my braiding hair is a lot lighter than the curly hair I want to use. This is not a bad match at all. Like if I'd used it this way, it would still be absolutely fine, but I feel like I was striving for something a lot better than this. So there are a couple other things I could probably add, maybe color 30 or color 4. I don't know much about color theory in theory, funny, but I just had an inkling that color 30 would be something that if I added would make my braiding hair be a better match for the curly hair. So here I'm adding color 30 to my mix, then I'm adding some more 24, 12 and 30 to the braiding mix, just so I had a lot more hair that would be enough for the entire head. And finally, at the end of my second stage of mixing, this is the comparison. As you can see, compared to the first, it's a lot better. I still did a lot of more blending after this, but I'm now happy with this color match. Using human hair might not be a good option for everybody because I don't think it's sustainable or cost effective, because it could actually set you back around £80 to maybe £90 for 2 to 3 bundles if you wanted to use the human hair bulk braiding hair for your entire head, compared to synthetic where you probably at max use around £20 or like $30–35 worth of braiding hair in total for your entire head. And that's not even to factor in like the amount you would need to actually go and get your hair done. That's if you're not doing it yourself. And if you're not using the human hair multiple times, you won't even get the cost per use from it anyways, and then you end up throwing it away and basically just throwing money away in the bin. Considering other synthetic options or trying to research higher quality synthetic options might be the best thing to do, because not all synthetic hair is created equal. And when I'm actually even talking about human hair that's around the £80, $100 mark, that's actually like the cheaper and less quality kind of hair, which doesn't even last as long. So you probably might want to even consider getting synthetic hair that's a lot better for you and might even be better for the environment, sustainable wise. So if you've watched my flip over Fulani braids video, you'd see that I used curls from a synthetic wig that I got from Amazon. When I got the wig, the curls actually felt very lovely, and when I spritz it with water, I could tell that the hair would actually hold up. And I had the hair in for a whole month. I have another video, which is the video of me showing how I styled the flip over Fulani braids. I showed the 1 month update with the curls in, and they actually were still pretty good. It wasn't really matted like I expected. I didn't even upkeep it like I was meant to, because I probably should have been putting like water regularly or maybe even some mousse, but I didn't even do any of that. I probably just had it in a bun for most of the time, and I let it down maybe if I was going out like to a party or something. And the hair really held up. I feel like I had it for like 6 weeks, and I was even tempted to save the curls, and that's how good the hair was. So yeah, you probably just maybe need to do a little bit more research into the kind of boho curls or the braiding hair you would use. So like this one I'm using here, you can see it's a good match. Another plus to not having to buy all braiding hair is, for example, if you wanted to do color like this, if you got synthetic hair, you would already get it in the color option you wanted. You don't have to like bleach and then dye your bundles, which would then be another itemized cost, added cost onto your entire braiding hair experience. So that's my own personal opinion on what kind of curly braiding hair you should be using for any kind of goddess or bohemian braid kind of hairstyles. It all depends on what your preference is, but what I recommend is you should still be sticking to like a more premium version of a synthetic curly braiding hair, or because of, you know, you probably won't be using it again, and I feel like that option is a lot more cost effective and sustainable, whatever hairstyle or whatever kind of curly braiding hairstyle you're doing. So I'd like to know what you're thinking in the comments. Let me know. Are you team human hair or synthetic hair? Or do you feel like after what I've said in this video, you probably be trying to venture into using more premium kind of synthetic hair, or you're 100% going to be sticking to human hair? Let me know. Let's have a discussion in the comments. I've really enjoyed making this video. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, subscribe, you know, all the shebang. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.